Good evening, my friends and comrades. I give in this evening a message from the Rocco Stigliani supporters. Rocco Stigliani is the South Italian very talented of bulls. Rocco Stigliani is the founded the Republican Gold Stiglianian. That is the very important instrument for the development of Mediterraneo socialism. Insomma, buonanotte suonatori, tanti auguri da Rocco Stigliani to Marco Travaglia, chi è morto.